Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Fiat 500 door handle hinge. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a T20 Torx driver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a new replacement hinge kit. It's also a good idea to have some masking tape on hand to protect your car's paintwork during the process. Let's get started with the preparation. Now, let's remove the old, broken hinge. Begin by carefully removing the two T20 Torx screws that secure the handle to the door. Once these are out, gently slide the entire handle assembly away from the door panel. You can then detach the old hinge component, which is likely the cause of your issue. Be gentle to avoid damaging other parts. With the old hinge removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully insert the new hinge into the handle assembly, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Double-check that all components are properly aligned before you attempt to reattach the handle to the door panel. This step is crucial for smooth operation later on. Finally, let's complete the installation and test your work. Securely tighten the two T20 Torx screws you removed earlier, making sure they are snug but not over-tightened. Now, test the door handle multiple times to ensure it operates smoothly and without any sticking. Confirm the door latches and opens correctly. Great job, you're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.